Hey there, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Thrive Themes tutorial, and we're going to be taking a look at Thrive Architect and a new feature called Hyperlink Animation Designs. So, if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, one of the best ways is to click on the link in the description and in the pinned first comment to find out an effective, simple blueprint to create your own online business. So go ahead, click on that, check it out, and remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today's focus is inside of Thrive Architect. So let's jump over to WordPress, and we'll go ahead and we'll create a new page, and we're talking about Hyperlink Design Animations. So we'll go ahead and we'll click Thrive Launch Architect. That will launch the landing page builder. And then of course, if you want to, you can change your template by clicking here to change your templates and select whatever you like. We're currently using this one right here, the Pro Layers template. So we've already selected that, so let's move on. So we have some text here, and what we're going to be doing is creating a hyperlink. So in this case, we'll just grab and say we want to hyperlink this right here, Thrive Architect. So we do it the regular way of creating a hyperlink. So you go up here to the little link image, and you go ahead and you would just enter your hyperlink. In this case, thrivethemes.com. And then you would insert that. And then once that's inserted, you have your standard hyperlink. But now, once you select that, what you can do here is you can go over to landing page defaults, and you can see here there's an ability to apply a style and an effect. So what we're doing here is we're going to go over to the main options, and we're going to go down to effect, and we're going to hit the little pencil to edit that. And then here are the new animations that are available. You have none, you have thin underline, so you can go back over here, you can select that again. Thin underline, thick underline, you can see the line change there. We have a wiggle here, so you can see that it will wiggle. We have a gradient fade, so you can see the gradient fade there. You have an animated fill, that will change the option, so when you hyperlink over it, it will fill it in. You have a gradient fill, a little bit different fill there, a dotted fill. So these are all the fill options, an instant fill. There we go. And a left to right fill, or a left to right underline, a right to left underline, a fade underline, an expanded underline, and a left fill gradient. So there you go. And of course, once you select it, so we'll just leave it with the left gradient fill, you can then of course change the effect color right there. So you could make this a nice red color. You could apply that. Now you see that that's changed right there. And that is how you go about changing the animated hyperlinks inside the new Thrive Architect. One word of caution, of course, no one knows your niche as well as you do. So make sure you choose the effect over here that matches your niche. And then, of course, be careful with deploying things like this, because while, again, you know your niche better than anyone, so you understand that if a wiggly line hyperlink will impact your conversions and will resonate with your audience. But again, use them with caution, use them sparingly, don't overdo it, because with anything, the point here is to grab the attention of someone that lands on this page. So for example, we'll go ahead and we'll apply that, and we will save and exit, and then we'll take a look at this on the live page. Of course, here you can see the Pro Layers content page, and down here we have our hyperlink, and of course when you mouse over it, you will see the wiggly line. So again, if you fill up the page with a bunch of wiggly lines, it's going to take away from the effect. So again, use it as you need, but use it so that it has the most effect on your page. So if this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And don't forget, if you want to build your own online business effective blueprint, step-by-step strategy in the first link in the description, as well as the link in the first comment. Go ahead, click on that and check it out. Here there'll be the 30-minute timer. Click that to subscribe to the channel for future videos. There'll be another video here on the end screen. Check that out. It'll be awesome. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.